Thank you for explaining your concerns earlier, Putri. I have considered your proposal.
Thank you, Miss Alia. I appreciate that. May I know your position on this?
I am prepared to redistribute some of the tasks, but I have a few conditions.
Some condition, could you clarify what those conditions are?
Okay, firstly, I would need you to continue supervising the interns until the end of this quarter.
Until the end of this quarter, so the arrangement would be temporary.
Yes, exactly. After that, we can assign another team member.
Alright, I understand. That condition sounds reasonable.
However, system maintenance will still need your support during critical periods.
Hmm. During critical periods, could you specify what you mean by that?
Mainly during system upgrades or emergency issues.
Okay, in that case, I'm willing to accept the condition as long as it is not a daily responsibility.
That is acceptable. We can agree that it will only be on an as needed basis.
Okay, thank you. With this condition, I am happy to accept the revised workload distribution.
Good. We will review this arrangement after 3 months.
That sounds fair. Thank you for being open to negotiation.
You are welcome. I appreciate your professionalism.